In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autoplay for a Vimeo video using the embed settings. If you want your Vimeo video to start playing automatically when it loads on a web page, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the setting and what it actually controls. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can finish in just a couple of minutes. First, head over to Vimeo in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Library. This is where all your uploaded videos live. Find the video you want to autoplay and open it. You'll land on the videos page with its preview and details front and center. Up at the top right of that page, click Share. A panel will appear with different ways to share your video. From here, choose Embed. The Embed panel is important because autoplay is controlled at the embed level, meaning it affects how the video behaves when you place it on your website, landing page, or any platform that accepts embed code. Inside the Embed panel, locate the Playback section. Here, simply toggle on Autoplay. That's the key setting. When Autoplay is enabled, the video will attempt to start as soon as the player loads on the page where it's embedded. Keep in mind that most modern browsers block autoplay with sound, so the video may start muted. That's expected behavior and helps ensure the autoplay is respected across browsers. If you need the video to begin silently, check that the player is set to start muted in your embed options as well, which typically pairs best with autoplay. You'll usually see a live preview in this panel, so you can confirm that the video starts automatically. If it doesn't seem to, try refreshing the preview or reopening the panel. Also remember that autoplay is most reliable on desktop and may be limited on some mobile devices, depending on the browser and device power settings. Once autoplay is toggled on, you're essentially done. Vimeo will include that preference in the embed code for this video. When you place the embed snippet on your site or platform, the player will honor the autoplay setting. If you're handing the code off to a teammate, just let them know that autoplay is already configured in the embed options. And that's it. You went to your Vimeo library, opened your video, clicked share, selected embed, and turned on autoplay in the playback section, quick, clear, and ready to use wherever you embed your video.